Welcome to my channel, Car Sergeant. Honda has long been a brand synonymous with trust, quality, and innovation. The Honda Amaze, launched over a decade ago, quickly gained a solid reputation in the Indian compact sedan segment. Fast forward to 2025, and the all-new Honda Amaze has arrived with a powerful blend of style, comfort, safety, and technology, all while maintaining its fuel-efficient and family-friendly DNA. In a market that's becoming increasingly competitive with options like the Maruti Dzire, Hyundai Aura, and Tata Tiger, the 2025 Amaze sets itself apart by refining everything that customers love and eliminating what they didn't. From a refreshed design, improved interior quality, and upgraded infotainment to enhanced safety, Honda has made sure that the Amaze remains a compelling choice for those who seek sophistication without compromising on practicality. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family man looking for a city commute, or an executive searching for a reliable second car, the 2025 Amaze offers something for everyone. Let's explore this car in depth, covering everything from its design evolution to its engine performance, features, pricing, and why it's one of the smartest sedan buys in 2025. The 2025 Honda Amaze comes with a striking new look that makes it one of the most stylish compact sedans on Indian roads today. With a focus on clean lines, improved aerodynamics, and an upscale presence, Honda has given the Amaze a bold facelift while retaining its original proportions and compact footprint, making it ideal for both city and highway roads. At the front, the Amaze now sports a larger, more assertive chrome finish grille that seamlessly integrates with the revised LED projector headlamps and sleek LED daytime running lights (DRL). The new grille not only adds visual weight, but also gives the car a premium identity, often mistaken for a more expensive sedan. The bonnet gets subtle sculpting, adding to the muscular stance without appearing aggressive. Honda has also redesigned the front bumper, now sharper and more angular, housing updated LED fog lamps and dark surround, giving the Amaze a sportier and more purposeful look. The side profile of the 2025 Amaze maintains its clean and elegant silhouette, but is now enhanced with 15-inch dual-tone diamond-cut alloy wheels on the higher variants, adding a sense of dynamism. Chrome door handles, body-colored ORVMs with integrated turn indicators, and a subtle shoulder line that flows from the headlamps to the tail lamps contribute to a more cohesive and aerodynamic appearance. The compact 3,995mm length ensures the car is easy to maneuver in park, while a 2,470mm wheelbase ensures a planted and stable road presence. Step inside the 2025 Honda Amaze, and you'll immediately notice a sense of refinement and practicality designed with the everyday user in mind. The interior has been given a premium makeover with dual-tone beige and black upholstery, offering a welcoming and spacious ambience. The dashboard layout is neat and uncluttered, featuring a fresh silver accent that runs across the width to enhance the car's visual breadth. Honda has improved the quality of plastics and materials used on frequently touched surfaces, giving the cabin a more upscale feel. The front seats are well cushioned and ergonomically contoured, offering solid support for both short city trips and longer highway drives. The driver's seat comes with height adjustment, while the tilt-adjustable steering ensures an ideal driving position for people of all sizes. At the rear, the Amaze continues to impress with ample legroom and headroom, making it a comfortable place even for taller passengers. A nearly flat floor and wide bench ensure 3 adults can sit without feeling cramped. For storage, the 2025 Amaze includes cup holders, door pockets, a rear center armrest, and a spacious 420-liter boot, one of the largest in its segment. It also features automatic climate control, push-button start/stop, electrically adjustable ORVMs, and a multi-function steering wheel. In higher variants, A 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay adds to the modern appeal, ensuring that tech-savvy users feel right at home. Every detail, from the seat fabric to the dashboard ergonomics, has been crafted to deliver comfort, convenience, and usability. Range, engine, and performance, approximate 600 words. The 2025 Honda Amaze continues to use the brand's reliable and refined 1.2-liter IVTC petrol engine, fine-tuned to meet the S6 Phase 2 emission norms. While Honda has moved away from diesel for this generation, the petrol engine proves more than capable for everyday commuting and occasional highway drive. This 1.2-liter four-cylinder naturally aspirated unit produces 90 PS of power at 6,000 RPM and 110 Nm of torque at 4,800 RPM. Buyers have the option to choose between a 5-speed manual transmission and a CVT, continuously variable transmission. The manual gearbox is light, responsive, and engaging, perfect for city dwellers and enthusiasts alike. On the other hand, the CVT is ideal for those who want a smooth, stress-free driving experience, especially in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Among all the available variants of the 2025 Honda Amaze, the VCVT stands out as the best value for money option. It hits the perfect balance between essential technology, passenger comfort, and the convenience of an automatic transmission. The VCVT variant comes equipped with premium features like a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, rear parking camera, push-button start, keyless entry, steering-mounted controls, and stylish alloy wheels, all while offering the smooth and reliable performance of Honda's CVT gearbox. For buyers who want a hassle-free driving experience in city traffic without compromising on features, this variant is the sweet spot in the lineup. When it comes to pricing, the on-road cost of the 2025 Honda Amaze depends on the city, registration fees, insurance premiums, and any ongoing dealership offers. Broadly, prices range from around 8.5 Indian rupees lots for the base manual variant to approximately 12 Indian rupees. 2 lots for the top-end VX CVT. This price bracket makes the Amaze accessible to a wide audience, from budget-conscious buyers to those looking for a fully loaded compact sedan experience. Additionally, various finance and exchange schemes offered by Honda dealerships further enhance its affordability, making it an attractive proposition for first-time car buyers and upgrade seekers alike. For more information, like channel subscribe.